I wanted to talk today about trauma and the psychological trauma that people go through as a result of wrongful death cases. And this is not blowing smoke. It's not hyperbole. It's not just talk. It's something that is real. You can see that I'm in the cemetery. I was with a client visiting their loved one, and my client was reasonably and expectedly upset, right? Going to a funeral and going to the cemetery is always upsetting. And it's actually designed in a park-like setting on purpose so that people have a chance to be away from their normal demands and to be in a protected space, because that's what you need when you're dealing with your emotions. And so often we're a country of doers, right? The more we do, the better we feel, what have you. And I'm guilty of that as well. I don't want to sit with my feelings. I don't want to feel angry. I don't want to feel sad. I don't want to feel guilty. And yet these are the feelings that every normal person experiences when their loved one is killed by, quote, accident, by mistake, by carelessness. And it's important that we deal with these issues and act deliberately in an effort to avoid allowing these feelings to spill out unexpectedly, because that's in fact what happens. We are angry for no good reason. We are frustrated for no good reason. We feel depressed. Well, what's going on? My loved one died 3 months ago, 6 months ago, 12 months ago. Why am I feeling this way? Well, because you haven't dealt with the true psychological trauma that you've underwent. And to deal with the trauma, you must be deliberate and you must sit in that terrible space of feelings. And like I said, I don't like to feel them, but if you spend just a few minutes a day saying, I'm going to spend 5 minutes and do breathing exercises, or I'm going to go to church on Wednesdays and Sundays, or I'm going to join this group. It's true that nothing will immediately make you feel better. That's just the way it is. What you have to do is you have to be deliberate and understanding of yourself. And, I'm a big proponent of going to a therapist who is trained to deal with these very traumatic situations, because your friends and family, they just don't understand. They just don't get it. And you need to connect with people who do. Please take good care of yourself.